Hello everybody, the Pound Trader here, making an analysis for Thursday and Friday, the 26th and 27th of September 2024. Welcome to the channel. So we're just going to start off quickly on the monthly time frame. Now, I've been on the sell side for quite a long time now, and in case you're wondering why, I still think that this here is a range, and we sort of broke out of the range, and I feel like this is a retracement. So currently, I am hoping for a reaction at around this level here, and this is because if I take my Fibonacci retracement tool, I can see that initially I was hoping for a reaction around the 61.8% fib, but because there weren't any bearish candles here, now my only hope is to wait for a reaction at the 78.6% fib 4 days before the month closes. So hopefully price just ends up rejecting at this level here. If it does end up closing above this level, then of course we'll just have to see what to do. But as per now, I'm hoping that this candle just rejects with some wick. And then maybe for the next month, if we can get like a bearish engulfing candle here, that would be great. So currently just on the sell side, hoping for some movement. Yeah, just hoping for a reaction there so that we can go back here. And also, maybe another thing, this range, if I measure it, this is the height of the range, and from the breakout, we kind of have this level here, which is, in my view, still within this channel. So I don't know, I think that's a bit more confirmation for me to just want to look for those sells, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, so just going over to the weekly time frame so we can sort of see this more clearly. This is the level that I was talking about. We are bullish currently, but we can see that we are sort of reacting and maybe rejecting this level here. This is almost like an indecisive candle, so we'll just wait and see. Yesterday's candle, this bearish engulfing, this is a good sign, but I don't know if it's enough for us to confirm like a retracement. Even a retracement is still fine. I'm still okay with a retracement, but I can see that today price is pulling up, so I don't know if it wants to make a double top before going down. But maybe let me scale down and see. So you can see now in the 4-hour time frame, we are making high highs and high lows. This is a nice uptrend. But this candle here it's quite a small pin bar. So personally, I don't like taking candles that I don't understand. It is a pin bar, but I don't know. To me, I don't like taking, I like a pin bar that's like at least a third of its wick, if that makes sense. So I think right now, price might continue pulling up. Hoping for a rejection around this level here, and then we'll see. But if not, maybe let me scale down to the 1-hour time frame so that I can explain that. So today's Thursday. There was a nice buy move here. If you watched my video on Monday, then this was a move I was waiting for. Unfortunately, I did not enter it for some reason. But yeah, this was a nice move. And even yesterday, there was a nice move over here, but I didn't like this candle, and that's why I didn't really take it. But yeah, anyway, so for today, yeah, hopefully if price can come and maybe react at this level here or even up there is still fine. But if not, I think the safest like sell opportunity for me will be to wait for this trend line to break and to wait for the previous day's low to break, and then now a pullback, and then take a sell towards that side. But if not, the other move that I'll be waiting for is for it to just pull up again. I'm not going to be taking any buys because I feel like this distance is just too short for me to look for. Okay, 70 pips. Yeah, but still, I wouldn't know where to put my stop loss, because ideally my stop loss would be around this level here. So I don't want to put a stop loss in the middle of an uptrend. That doesn't make sense to me. Anyway, I hope it makes sense. So let me just go to the dollar index very quickly so that I can also maybe show you like another reason as to why I'm still hoping for sells on the pound. I honestly still think that if price does not end up breaking this level here, then I think the dollar might continue pushing up, in my view. So maybe scaling down to the weekly time frame so we can see, even with the weekly, we are making like wicks almost here. It looks like this level has been a bit stubborn. So I don't know if there's room for the dollar to continue bullish, but if it does, that will confirm my sells on the pound. You can see here, we did sort of have like a nice strong bearish candle here, but it didn't continue, guys. So this was a bit weird, because I feel like if the dollar was really selling, this candle wouldn't have been here. It would have been like a clean breakout, right? But you can see now the bullish candle came out of nowhere And yeah, I don't know, I still feel like it's not an engulfing candle, but I still feel like there is room for price to push up in my view. So yeah, that's basically it. So going over to the calendar, I am in East Africa, so this is 3:30 p.m. East African time. We also have 4:20. We have some USD news as well, so I'll be on the lookout for that. And on Friday, 3:30 East African time, we also have some USD news, core PCE price index. So I'll be on the lookout for that too. All right, that's the end of my analysis. Stay tuned for my analysis on Monday that I'll drop on